Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you read in the title, today's video is a challenge video, and so today's challenge is twin telepathy challenge with my elder sister Ruchi Singh.
Hi guys.
So we are not twins, but we are going to test how much similar we are. So we don't have for partition anything. So we will turn around and we will select which product. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
So
Also guys, like in the food, like our taste is like similar.
yeah.
So let's see how twins we are.
So
Let's start with the low budget.
first, very low price. Low budget.
Starting with chewing gum, guys. I don't know. Yeah, it's low budget.
You can turn around to someone bucket.
I will turn now. So wait, one.
One. Close your eyes, huh? 1, 2, 3. Then stand up is also my favorite.
Favorite, but we know that happy telling you is like done with this
This was the
first. So
next what is
starting was good.
The next product is
Blue Lays and
orange lace.
hot and sweet chili.
And this
Indian
is magic masala. So we are on these two. These का तो पता है आंसर क्या है रुक जा हाँ 1, 2, 3. No one can beat blue lace but
Obviously,
कुछ भी हो जाए blue lace.
love.
So guys, moving on to the next product. Next product is marshmallow.
And the issue is we only have one packet of marshmallow, so we'll be using left hand. Give me chupa chup.
And this is Chupa Chups.
Chupa chup will be on right and marshmallow will be on left. Okay?
But मेरे पास है तो मैं मेरा ही select करूँगी.
Obviously, हाँ. Sure.
Okay.
One,
2, 3. Okay.
Chupa chup.
Chupa Chups.
Also, guys, we love that. What is it?
Strip
Strip of chupa chup. Even this we like, but like the strip one is more better. We feel.
I like marshmallow also, but she likes Chupa Chups more, so I like the Chupa Chups. Huh?
Let's move to the biscuit.
Honey. Hey.
We have bonbon and hide and seek. It was a whole big packet, but like we got the small
one.
Yeah.
So this is.
Let's go.
इसका भी आंसर है.
1, 2, 3. Bro, we are almost same.
So everyone says that we look similar, like
Her friends.
My
says,
friends
yeah.
say.
Like, I don't think so. We look same.
So we both selected. Oh yeah. So yeah.
What if they think that it's scripted?
No, it's not scripted, guys. हम लोग का taste bud is same. Hey, you know?
Cool.
Drink. Next is drink.
Guys, I love both of these things.
This could be. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 1,
2,
Hey, close your eyes.
1, 2, 3.
I was usually she would select fruity, but selected
Thumbs up is first love, guys.
Yeah, guys. She's literally craving for fruity, like. But she's like, guys, we are almost same. Like.
I already know that she would select thumbs up over fruity. Why not?
She sacrificed for me, so.
So nice. Even I love thumbs up.
So next is
This is quite easy. I
Maggie
feel.
and Actu popcorn. Here is mine.
Sure. 1.
Close your eyes.
I did already.
Okay. 1,
1, 2, 3. We love popcorn, but Maggie.
While we watch movie, we make this popcorn, but this is like we make it at 1 a.m. or like anytime we can make it and we can have it. So yeah, Maggie is late night partner.
Every time.
Yeah. So yeah. So next is Kit Kat,
This is going to be the toughest one, I feel.
and I don't think. And this is
Dairy Milk Silk.
Yeah. See, what you're going to say? Do you like that or what?
Obviously, why will I tell you? Okay, chal. 1,
One.
2, 3. Guys, I love Kit Kat. And she loves this.
Red velvet. Red velvet. Red velvet.
And I love Kit Kat.
Because she liked Kit Kat, so I selected Kit Kat.
There was no red velvet. This one would have been not ours if the Oreo was here. Wouldn't have been same.
So-
Obviously, I would have selected Kit Kat only.
And of course, I will red velvet. Next is Weffy. Opposite that is
And the opposite is this Weffy, the chocolate one.
this. We have only one, so left hand for chocolate Weffy and right hand this one. So turn around.
But ते नाही आहे दुसरे वाला packet. मला you know that.
Of course. Turn around. Close your eyes.
1,
1, 2, 3.
guys, actually, guys, so this box of Weffy, we got it like
A few days ago, and
Yeah.
there is one packet of Weffy also of chocolate only, but that we love more than this. I don't know
and
why.
now we are not eating this, so our mom is like, you have to eat this. so like we have to eat this, but
More
if
than this, like
option,
this. Huh.
yeah, we have to select this.
Yeah. Isme, like in this there are less chocolate they are filling.
Yeah.
So that's why
Conjugate.
so that's why we didn't like this much. So yeah.
Mama said that it was okay.
Copyright tension mala. English I
I don't know.
Again this will take this only.
Bro, Mama said
Okay, next is this Malkist. Take this and
guys, I
this
said-
Oreo Cadbury dipped. So take this.
Box of it.
Box guys. So here is my products. So, turn on. Oh
One.
God, I know this. 1, 2, 3. Malkist.
No choice. Yes.
Yeah. Because like every day we have this and see the while having tea. Yeah, while having tea we have this like anytime we can have, and there is cheese in that, like
Guys,
layer
you
of
have
cheese.
to try this. This is literally so
Bomb.
nice.
It's
So
bomb.
nice. It's in cheese flavor on this.
See the packaging so you can. काय बोलली?
चल, चल.
Okay, so guys, now we are going to play quick rapid fire round, like not of food but of like
No random questions.
random questions. So, very first question, which is favorite color of
1, 2, 3.
Black.
Crystal.
Black is
Bro, black मला white पण आवडतो.
no black. Now, no, in this we have not played. My favorite is black.
My pastel and white. More.
From like starting, we were having same favorite color like black.
Recent favorite is my pastel.
Mine will be always black. Why? You're not my sister.
Everything like we did like was
In
perfect. Now
food, everything went
we
right.
did nothing wrong.
So you ask now one question.
Okay. Okay, so the question is like if our parents allow us to go somewhere outside in like abroad, so which will be the place? Okay, so like it should be telepathy, okay? It should be telepathy.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dubai.
1, 2, 3 Dubai. थांबशील का? आता काय झालंय फालतू.
What would be yours?
सिंगापूर बोलली असती, तुझं पण सिंगापूर आहे नंतरचं.
तुझं काय?
सिंगापूर बोलली असते मी.
No, I didn't know.
पागल.
Okay, Pakistan.
हाड आता नाही, आता ही चिटिंग झाली.
Leave that.
Next question.
If you remember, then ask na.
I don't remember na.
I would have searched on Google. No.
So search.
Google.
Chal.
Okay.
Would we rather go on beach or mountains?
1, 2, 3. Beach. Beaches. Yeah. ये भी Talapati. So beaches now, guys. I have one more question. That is, would you rather shop online or offline?
1, 2, 3. Offline. Obviously,
Yeah.
offline, guys.
We can try and also
Yeah, and we can check what we are buying.
in online let it become small or big. So we have to change that and so let it big. So. I have one more. Cakes or cookies? 1, 2, 3. Cakes. Cakes, guys. Of course. Yeah. Earlier she was. Guys, earlier she was into cookies, but afterwards.
But like, if cake or donuts, I'll still select donuts.
Donuts, I know, of course. So, cakes and. Should we ask more or little red hair?
More.
Ask them. What is
Earrings or necklaces? Okay, necklaces. I mean this jewelry. What we say? Dangy jewelry.
I don't know.
Anyways, chal.
Jewelries. Accessories. No. Accessory it is सब इसमें एक में ही आया.
Exactly. Earrings or necklaces?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Necklaces. Guys, if we can keep our hair open and we can cover our ears, but I don't like without this like necklace. No,
Like
never.
nowadays, we are more into accessories, like
Yeah.
more of
Obsessed with accessories. So, yeah. Last I will ask that is, wow, oversized T-shirt or hoodies?
Oh my god.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oversized t-shirts. Never.
Hoodies.
I know you.
Guys, here it is hot. Then also I selected hoodie because hoodie is like love. Oversized t-shirts. Wow. Oversized t-shirts also I like, but more I will prefer hoodies.
Guys, she can pick hoodies over anything. Over
Hoodies.
anything.
Hoodies no.
Hoodies and sweatshirts, I mean.
Both. They are like, and then after that oversized t-shirts.
Got it.
So, guys, next one is slim bag or backpack. So select one. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Slim bag.
Slim bag in the sense like
Yeah.
which you put like
Yes.
just
Yeah.
easy to carry.
Yeah, actually. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and comment below that which video should I make next. So bye, guys.
Bye guys.